Hello. Oh, it's so nice to see you. My name is Helen. Let me just turn the music down slightly so I can see you. Oh, thank you for coming. I am from Lewisham Youth Theatre and I am going to tell you a story. It is a mystery and it needs your help. I hope that's okay. Lovely. Okay, so here is my story box. Shall we see who's in it today? There we go. It's beautiful, isn't it? Woof and meow, a dog and a cat, a monkey, a crocodile, and a bat. There we are. Hope I'm not squashing you too much. There, let's see. My name is Helen and I'm from Lewisham Youth Theatre, and today I'm going to tell you a story, a mysterious story that I need your help to solve. But we can play too, and we will start with a game. Let me see. Oh, I know, Monkey can help me today. Monkey, can you come and help me with the game? Here is Monkey. Can you help me today, Monkey? Oh yes, Helen, I can help you. We are going to play a game. It's called Me, Then You. You can join in too. Yes, it's an opposites game. Yes, it's the opposites game. How do you play an opposites game? Well, you have to do the opposite of what I do. Oh, the opposite of what you do. Can you help me with that so that I know how to play with the children? Yes, of course, Helen. So, if I say up, you say the opposite. Oh, what? Down. Yes, Helen, down. Okay, so would you like to try that then? See if I've got it. Here we go. I say up and I say down, Helen, down, down. Oh, yes, of course. Shall we try another one? Yes, so I say yes and you say, oh, do I say no? That's right. No. Okay, we're trying it. Are you ready? Yes. No. Yes. No. But if I say no, you have to say, do I say no as well? No, Helen, you say yes. It's opposites, remember? Oh, yes, opposites. Okay. Do you think the children have got it now? Oh, yes, the children have got it now. Okay, shall we try then? Are you ready? Everybody ready? Adults, stand by because we need your help. So, I say yes, and you say, Helen, they know how to play it. Oh, they do. You're right, they do. I say up, and you say down. Helen, they know how to play it. Okay, down. Oh, they do. They're very good. Here we go. So, have you got any more? No, Helen, because now I'm going to hide in the garden. Are you going to hide in the garden? Yes. See you later, children. Okay, he's going to hide in the garden. Anyway, we're going to move on to the next game. I do know how to play the next game, and I need the crocodile. Come on, crocodile. You can come and help me.
Hello, my name is Lyle. I'm a crocodile.
Yes, you are, aren't you? Lyle, say hello to the children.
Oh, Helen, there are so many children, and they've all got adults with them. Oh, Helen, I'm a little bit scared.
Oh, it's all right, Lyle. Don't be frightened. They're children from all over England.
Whoa,
I know, not just Lewisham, where you and I are. Whoa, I know. Oh, it's all right, it's all right. So, will you help me play this game?
Okay.
The game is called Silly Sausages.
Oh, silly sausages. Oh, I like that.
I'm just going to go and get the sausages. So could you just talk to the children?
Okay. Helen's gone to get the sausages. She made them herself, and they are pretend. They are not real. They are pretend, so you cannot eat them.
Here we are. Okay, we're back. We're back with the sausage.
There we
are. So I made the.
I told them, Helen.
Did you?
I made them known that you made the sausages.
Yes, I did. So I made the sausages, and this is a pretending game.
A pretending game. Yes, I told them.
Oh, did you? Good, good. Okay. So this game is called Silly Sausages.
I like that game.
Have you played it before?
No.
Oh, that's okay. I can explain it to you, and that'll help the children play too, won't it?
Yes.
Okay, so in Silly Sausages, I am going to ask you a question.
You're going to ask me a question?
Yes.
Oh, I'm a bit worried because I might not know the answer to the question.
It's okay, Lyle. You will know the answer to the question because the questions are really, really easy. They are not difficult at all.
Are you sure?
Yes. The first question is, what is your name?
Well, my name's Lyle.
Yes. Well, actually, though, in Silly Sausages, every time I ask you a question, no matter what the question is, you have to give the answer sausages.
Sausages?
Yes.
You want me to say sausages?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
All right then. Are we ready? Lyle,
Yes.
what's your name?
My name's Lyle.
No, we're pretending. It's a pretending game. You have to say sausages.
But my name's not Sausages.
No, I know, but it's just a game. We're pretending.
Okay.
All right then.
My name's not Sausages.
No, we know that. We're just pretending.
Okay.
So here we go. All right then. What's your name?
Sausages.
Did you hear what he said?
Oh, it's a game. It's funny. Helen, can I ask you your name?
Yeah, of course you can. Of course you can.
Helen,
Yeah.
what's your name?
Sausages.
She said her name was Sausages. Helen,
Yes.
what would you like for Christmas?
Sausages.
She said she liked sausages for Christmas. Oh, I hope your mum and dad are listening. Sausages for Christmas.
No, Lyle, I don't really want sausages for Christmas. It's just pretending.
Oh.
Do you think the children are ready?
Oh, yes, the children are ready.
Okay, so Lyle's going to ask you some questions and you can
Only reply sausages because it's a pretending game. Okay.
Here we go then. Right, are you ready?
What did you have for your breakfast?
Sausages, that's not that funny, is it really? Do you want to ask another question?
Yes, okay.
Okay, are you ready?
What would you like for your birthday? Sausages! They want sausages for their birthday. What's your hair made of? Sausages! They said sausages! Your hair's not really made of sausages, we're just pretending.
Oh, can you think of one to say to your adult?
Can you ask your adult a question? Helen?
Yes.
What did you have for your tea?
Sausages. I did actually have sausages for my tea.
Oh, okay. Helen?
Yes.
I'm going to go and hide.
Under the bed. Under the bed?
Yes, I'll see you later. I'm going to go and play this game with my friend Pat.
Oh, that's a good idea. You liked the game, did you?
Yes, I did. It was sausage.
Oh, shall we meet Pat before we start? Because Pat is in the story too. Come on, Pat. Oh, this is Pat. And she is a bat.
Helen?
Yes.
Have you seen my hat?
Pat, you're a bat. You don't wear hats.
Oh, no, of course I don't.
Helen, I'm going to go and hide on the ceiling. Okay, all right then. Go and hide on the ceiling. Lyle's looking for you. Okay. See you later, Pat. Take care. Right, okay.
Helen?
Yes, Lyle? I thought you were hiding under the bed.
I was, but I've just come back. Because it's time to tell the story now. Did you tell the children that it's a mysterious story and we need their help to solve it?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, right. Go on then.
How does it start?
With a poem?
Oh, yes, I remember now. Are you ready?
Can we have the music?
Oh, yeah, sure. The music, yes.
Come on, hurry up.
Okay, here we go. Let's imagine.
Is that like pretending?
Yeah, it is. A made-up pretending game. Let's imagine. Let's pretend. Let's imagine. Yes, okay. Are you ready? Imagine if the sky was
Green.
and all the trees were blue. Imagine if A cat could bark, woof, and I look just like you.
That'd be weird.
Imagine if the day was night and all the shops were free.
That would be amazing.
Imagine if a dog could purr, and you look just like me.
Yeah, but I don't.
No, you don't. But I am me, as you can see, and you look just the same. But we can still imagine, we can pretend, a made-up pretending game.
Oh, go on, do the bit with the arms now, Helen.
Okay, I'm going back under the bed. Okay, you go back under the bed. And I'll get rid of my sausages too, because we're nearly ready for the story. Here we go. Imagine if your arms were wings. Can you do that? We need all the space. Oh, yes, flying around. Can you fly with your sisters, your brothers, your friends, and your adults? Imagine if my fingers were burning flames. Oh, be very, very careful, because it's hot. Can you make your fingers into burning flames? Oh, you can imagine, you can pretend. A made-up pretending game. Now, what else can we make? Oh, look, we can make a beautiful butterfly. Can you make a beautiful butterfly? And if you turn it round, look at that, a bird flying, flying, flying away. Okay, I think we're ready to start the story. This is a mystery that needs your help to solve. Can you get your adults to make a house, please, with their hands? Can you do that? And then all the children, you can go underneath into the house. Yes? Very good. Today's story, it starts in a house. There's the roof, can you see it? And the house has 2 windows. So take your finger and we'll draw the window. Here we go. 1, 2, there. And of course we need a door. Draw the door and a handle. You turn the handle. Oh, it's a very squeaky door. Shall we try it and open it? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay, so this house is in a garden. And it is a beautiful garden. And all around are flowers and trees, butterflies. Remember the butterflies? And the birds. And bees. Can you be a buzzy bee for me? Oh, there's another one coming. It is early in the morning. And Woof and Meow, who live in the house, are fast asleep. Shh. Let's go and see. Come on this way. Meow is asleep. And Woof is asleep. We tuck them up in their bed. Ooh. Shh, Helen, you'll wake them up. If you listen very carefully, I think you might hear them. Can you hear what noise they're making? They are snoring. Oh, they need to wake up as we can't tell the story. Come on. Wake up, you two, wake up. Oh, Meow has woken up and she is stretching. Oh, can you stretch? Nice and big. Oh, and she's yawning. She is. Now it's your turn, Woof. Come on, wake up. Oh, look, Woof is having a scratch. Woof. Oh, he's stretching too. Woof. And he is yawning. There we are. They're all ready to start their day. What was that? What was what? Did you not hear it, Helen?
Did you not hear it, Helen?
What was it? There was a strange sound. A rumbling and a grumbling. They are very frightened. Look how frightened they are. Can you show me frightened? Oh, yes. Look at them. They're more frightened than you. We must be brave, said Meow. We must look for that sound, said Woof. So they did, and this is how they did it. Are you ready? You can help them. I'm going to show you the actions. Are you ready? They looked up. Can you do up? You know where up is. They looked down. You can do that too, can't you? They looked everywhere around. They looked far over there. They looked near to see what they could hear. Shall we do it with them? Are you ready? Here we go. They looked up, they looked down, they looked everywhere around. They looked far, they looked near, to see what they could hear. Then they looked up on the ceiling, and they saw Pat the Bat. Hello, everybody. Pat, did you make that sound? Not I, said Pat. Well, what sound do you make? Asked Meow. Well, children, can you help me? I've got a terrible memory. What sound does a bat make? I don't know. What sound does it make? Oh, go on then, make the sounds. Very good. He goes click, 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 squeak, 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 click, 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 squeak, squeak, squeak. Woof and meow. The sound that you are searching for is much nearer the ground. Use your head. Look under the bed. Oh, okay. Before they could look, the sound came back. Rumbling and grumbling. Do you remember that? Now it's howling and growling. Howling and growling. Oh, that's a terrible sound. What is that sound? They said. Well, remember what Pat said. Look under the bed and use your head. So they did. And what do you think they found under the bed? Here he is.
Hello, it's me. I'm hiding. Sausages, 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 sausages.
No, Lyle, we're not playing sausages now. This is the story.
Oh, yes.
Did you make that sound? Not I, said Lyle.
Well, what sound do you make, Lyle? Could you help me with that? What sound? Oh, yes! Snap, snap, snap! I've got a big mouth, haven't I? Snap, 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 snap. It's the noise I make. That sound you hear is to be found far, far away. Okay? See you later. Sausages, sausages, sausages.
Wow. Keep looking for the sound. But before they could, the sound came back. Do you remember? Rumbling and grumbling. Your turn. Rumbling and grumbling. Howling and growling. Howling and growling. Oh dear. Grumbling and burbling. Grumbling and burbling. That's a funny sound. What is that sound? What did Lyle say? He said that the sound was far, far away. Helen, the garden is far away. That's a very good idea. So they went to the garden. They left the bedroom. They went all the way down the stairs. They went along the beautiful hall. They went past the kitchen. And then they went into the garden. The squeaky door that we had. Can you take hold of the doorknob? Turn it. And let's hear that squeak. Oh, that's a loud sound. And there, in the garden, who did they find? Monkey! Here he is, of course. He went to the garden, didn't he? Hello! Monkey, 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 did you make that sound? Not I, said Monkey. That's weird, isn't it? Well, monkey, what sound do you make? Oh, let's ask the children. Can you help, Monkey? What sound would your monkey make? Let's hear the sound of your monkey. Oh, very good. Oh, they are so good. They know all about the sounds, don't they? Shall I show my sound? Yeah, go on then. I love your sound, Monkey. So, what you can hear is very, very near. Turn around and listen to the sound. See you later. Oh, okay. Did you hear what he said? Yeah, I did. I did hear what he said. Oh dear. But before they could look, the sound came back. Do you remember the sound? Rumbling and rumbling and grumbling, howling and growling, burbling and gurgling, and splishing and sploshing. Splishing and sploshing? What is that sound? What did Monkey say? Monkey said it's very near, and to turn around and listen for that sound. Oh yeah, listen. Shall we listen? And they did. They listened up. They listened down. They listened everywhere around. They listened far. They listened near. They listened near. I can hear. I can hear. I can hear. I found that sound. Worth, that sound is coming from you. Oh no, meow. That sound is coming from you. In our very tummies. Oh, Helen, we've got monsters in our bellies. Oh, it's okay, don't worry. Listen, you two. Listen, did you have any breakfast this morning? Breakfast? No. You know what that sound is, don't you? Do you know what the sound is? I'll tell them, shall I? That sound is your tummy rumbling. That rumbling, grumbling, growling, howling, burbling, gurgling, splishing, sploshing sound is your hungry tummy. I know what to do. We went back into the house. We went into the kitchen. They sat at the table. A spoon for meow. A spoon for woof. Have you got any toys that need their breakfast? Maybe you could get them and pretend too. A plate for Woof and a plate for Meow and a cup for Woof. Oh dear, look, he broke the cup, but it doesn't matter because he doesn't use his hands very often. And a cup for Meow. You can have the one that's not broken. And today they are going to have some cereals. I'll put some milk on it. And today, let's see, what are you pretending to drink today? Oh, they've got hot chocolate today. Aren't they lucky? Oh, I like a cup of hot chocolate for breakfast. That's good. They ate up. They ate down. They ate everything around. They ate near, they ate far, they ate all that they could hear. Oh, and that rumbling, grumbling, splishing, sploshing, howling, growling sound was gone. Let's bring you down here. Do you feel better now? Do you feel better now? Yeah. I wonder what's for lunch. Oh, Wolf! You only just had your breakfast. Helen! Oh, I think that's Lyle. Yes. Helen! Yes. Is that the end of your story? Yes, it is. That is the end of my story. What did they have for their breakfast? Are we playing that game again? They had sausages. They didn't. Oh, I like the sausages game. So what have you got on your feet, Lyle? Sausages! You're very good at it now. You're really good. I'm really good. I've been playing it with Pat. Oh, good. Okay. So shall we finish with the poem? Would you like that? Yes, please. See if you can remember it this time. Okay, well, I'll do my best because it's quite difficult, isn't it? Because it's so opposite. Very difficult. See if you can hear the differences, children. Are you ready? Yes. So, let's imagine that's like pretending, yeah? Yeah, it is like pretending. A pretending imagination game. Imagine if the sky was green and all the trees were blue. Wow. Imagine if a cat could bark woof and I look just like you. Weird. Imagine if the day was night and all the shops were free.
That would be amazing.
Imagine if a dog could purr, brr, 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 and you look just like me. But I am me, as you can see, and you look just the same. But we can imagine, we can pretend. A made-up pretending game.
Is that the end?
Yes, that is the end. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Shall we say goodbye to all the animals?
Why don't you get Monkey?
Oh, okay, yes, I'll get Monkey, because Monkey might like to say goodbye.
Goodbye from Lyle. Keep up with your smile.
Goodbye from Monkey. Can you remember the opposites?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No. Yes. No. Well, I hope you have fun playing some of those games, and thank you so much for clearing up that mystery, because they didn't know, did they?
Goodbye.
Shall I put the music on to finish?
Yeah, put the music on to finish.
Okay, then. Are you ready?
Did you write this music?
Yeah, I did, actually. Hope you're enjoying it. Well, maybe we'll see you again sometime.
Yeah, maybe it'll be my story next time, and I don't have to spend the whole time under the bed. Still, I enjoy playing sausages. So, yeah, if you want to practice playing sausages again,
Yeah.
I'm quite happy to help you. You know, I could actually play the opposites game as well.
Could you?
No.
Oh.
No, it'd be an opposite.
Oh, it's very good. Yeah, very good. I get it.
So, what do you think a crocodile has for breakfast?
Sausages?
Oh, Helen! Rice Krispies! Snap, crackle and pop, but mainly snap, 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 snap!
Okay, all right. Oh dear, once he gets started, I can't stop him.
All right then, bye, bye! End video, Helen, end video!
Okay, I will. Again, thank you so much for coming. I hope you enjoyed it. And goodbye.